The report says the pandemic of COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war have both magnified Ghana's fiscal and external imbalances. Non-resident outflows from the domestic government bonds and lack of access to the euro bond markets, retail dollar purchases, dividend payments to foreign investors, and more expensive refined petroleum product imports have pushed up demand for foreign currency, leading to a drawdown on Ghana's limited stock of reserves since the fourth quarter of last year. These domestic and external pressures, according to the reports, are coinciding with the U.S. external reserve rate hike, contributing to 27% of depreciation of the cedi against the US dollar since the start of the year. Exchange rate weakening, in turn, is driving up inflation, which stood at nearly 30% as of June 2022, the highest in 21 years. Despite the exceptionally difficult external and domestic context, authorities have endeavored to improve tax revenue by introducing an electronic revenue mobilization known as e-levy, which became effective in May 2022, and by recently passing legislation to tighten exemption on tax payments, including VAT and import duties. The report also says the government introduced cuts in its spending, which many believe will go a long way to help the country generate revenue. While these changes could improve the tax going forward, the situation remains challenging, and over the first half of 2022, the fiscal deficit have exceeded the government's ambitious target. The report says in July 2022, Parliament approved a $750 million loan from the Afrexim Bank, which will temporarily boost reserve level but also add to the already high cost of interest. As the conflict between Russia and Ukraine continues, the report expects external fiscal and growth pressures to remain tight. In light of these pressures, government has initiated talks with the International Monetary Fund about an extended arrangement. The report anticipates that one key objective of any program will be to improve Ghana's medium-term debt sustainability and in the process to unlock fiscal space so that Ghana can invest more in its growth potential. The report further says the conflict in Ukraine has taken a significant toll on Ghana's development economy as surging energy and food prices have reduced domestic household disposable income, pushing activity into the informal sector.